Elsewhere, reactions have trailed reports by the World Bank saying about 140 million Nigerians now live below the poverty line. Nigerians resounded this status as they lament the growing hardship in the land. Lydia Adegbaju completes the story.
Nigerians have voiced out on the untold hardship they are facing with the economic situation of the nation, especially over the past 2 to 3 years. This follows the latest report by the World Bank, which puts Nigeria's poverty rate at 63%, up from the previous 56% recorded in 2023. According to the World Bank, this means approximately 140 million Nigerians are living below the poverty line. Mrs. Obaniwa, owner of a once booming grocery store, said the tide turned about 2 years ago and a two-part shop downsized to one. Mrs. Latifat Oladimeji, on her part, said it is now difficult for the children to feed, adding that one of them just finished taking gari as the first meal of the day, as at the time of filing this report.
Inú ilé ìtajà mi yóò gbèsè tẹ́lẹ̀, store méjèèjì ni mo máa ń kó ọjà sí. Nígbà tí ó sọjà kankan bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́ láti pa. Tẹ́lẹ̀ gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́nu oúnjẹ. Gbogbo ẹ̀ là ń tà à ń ta láfún à ń ta gàrí à ń tèlùbọ́ tó fi dórí sóyà jéró gbogbo ẹ̀ báyẹn là ń tà àròwó mú débẹ̀ mọ́. ọkọ̀ gan kan ránú lé ní lásìkò ètò oúnjẹ àárọ̀ kò bá tọ̀sán ò bá talẹ́ kò tiẹ̀ jọra wọn. ẹ̀sánpù nísìn ọmọ yìí sẹ́ ń mu gàrí ẹ wo iye táìmù tí sẹ́ ń jẹun àárọ̀. lọ́jà ó wálẹ̀ wọ́n lóúnjẹ ti pọ̀ gbà tó ń jẹ bá wá pọ̀ tá àròwó rà.
Owing to the economic downturn, Mrs. Fatima Isiaka, a widow, said that children had to join in the hustle to make ends meet. In all of these, Alhaja Sidikato is simply grateful for survival.
Kò kàn rọrùn torí opó lèmi, kò rọrùn rárá. Ọmọ gan tí ò tí tásìkò tó yẹ kó strong tó yẹ pé ó yẹ kó sì wà ní school nígbà tó rí condition pé kò tún sí bàbá kò sí kan tó dẹ̀ rí bí ọ̀rọ̀ ajé ṣe ti rí. Àwọn náà ti ń ṣọ́ọ̀gù nǹkan kan báyẹn tí ó dẹ̀ yẹ kó sì yẹ kó tí ì lámòjútó.
A lè jókòó látàárọ̀ dalẹ́ ká má pa 3,000 a máa dúpẹ́ àṣàárẹ̀ àṣàìsàn tá a fi ń dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run.
Over the past years, Nigeria has recorded a significant drop in inflation, with the headline inflation rate sharply declining from 34.80% in December 2024 to 15.15% in December 2025. Also, data from the Nigerian Bureau of Statistics show that food inflation fell from about 39.84% in December 2024 to 10.84% in December 2025. However, despite the decline, the latest World Bank report explains that inflation remained high enough to erode citizens' purchasing power and worsen living conditions for many households. This report was echoed by Mrs. Obaniwa and Mr. Ismail Aziz, a fashion designer who noted that he now has to look for other sources of income to maintain the family.
Àwa ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ pé nǹkan kan wálẹ̀. A rí pé nǹkan kan wálẹ̀ rárá. Torí owó tá a mú lọ tẹ́lẹ̀ tá a fi ra fúlòdù ọkọ̀ kan báàgì 4 là ń rà ní ìsìn.
Níbẹ̀ tí kọ́mọ mi ó di ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ni. So èmi náà mọ wọ́ọ̀sù náà ni olórí iṣẹ́ tí mo jìyà kọ́. So èèmù mi lórí iṣẹ́ tí mo kọ́ iná ní kíni kí n lè fi finance àwọn family tèmi náà so ti yé yín bọ̀ nígbà tí iṣẹ́ tẹ́ta wá jìyà kọ́ náà tí ò sí benefit kankan bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ò sí ṣèṣin bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́ so a fi ó kọ pé jì pé káwọn ọmọ owó lè jẹun.
While many residents put the reason for the hardship as the impact of the hike of fuel prices, Mr. Fatai Atonda, on his part, argued that the greed of many Nigerians contributed to it, citing the trend of whatever goes up cannot come down.
Ẹ̀bẹ̀ tẹ́mi ó tún bẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn wa gangan ká ní ẹ̀mí ìfarajìn àìní ẹ̀mí ìfarajìn ń tún ba nǹkan jẹ́ ńtọ́ bá ti léwó wọn ò ní jẹ́ ó dínwó mọ́ so gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ba ọrọ̀ ajé jẹ́ nù kì í ṣe pé bóyá ìjọba ò lè máa fún owó fún wa.
Meanwhile, former Vice President of Nigeria, Atiku Abubakar, has criticized the administration of President Bola Tinubu for plunging Nigerians further into poverty through its reforms, which he said lacked direction. Offering an alternative approach, the ADC chieftain emphasized the need for carefully sequenced reforms, strengthened social protection measures, as well as policies that would focus on job creation, food security, and economic stability. Lydia Adegbaju, Western Spring Television News.